Here.
Oh!
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Woo!
Don't break my chair.
I wasn't gonna break your chair.
Stop shooting at people, Nick. You're gonna
Why?
catch one of us on fire.
I already caught you on fire.
Yeah, you did. Actually, what are my pants do? They're fine.
Ah! The small one is on fire. That's it. It's perfect. Are you still videotaping, Bobby?
Yes.
That's awesome. How much can you actually take?
As much as my phone can hold.
That's awesome. Give me a light.
Yes, please. Would you like to film this? Even if it's just like that.
I am filming it.
It's so hot. I can use that. Oh, running in a battle.
Okay, Shane, I'm running with you.
Oh no! Oh god!
Come here, boy.
Oh god! Shane! You actually, let me see. Are you burned?
Oh man, that was awesome.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
you
saw.
hit me in the arm.
Watch out for that barn right there.
Yeah, Shane, jeez.
Please tell me you got that on video.
Yeah, well, you can't really see, you can hear it.
Is it still
Shane, that was awesome.
What?
just be mindful where you shoot. No, I don't. I know there's a barn there.
God, Shane, you actually, like, you were legitimately, like, hitting Nick.
I thought he had a Roman candle in his hand. I didn't know it was a bottle rocket. So I'm like, fuck you. so I'm fucking sitting there like, aiming Roman candle at Nick fucking running
I'm
back
just sitting
this
there
way.
looking at you, and you're like fucking Roman candles are just shooting at me. I was like, fuck.
That was funny. You just
That was
like,
fucking awesome.
That's cool.
Fucking
My
hey.
pants are falling down.
Dodging fire.
let's see, what shall we choose next?
That was all my shit.
I want to do a mortar.
I think a far.
That's gonna be the coolest video ever.
That
Yeah,
is
it is.
awesome.
This is just a continuous video of all night. That's what it's gonna be.
Okay, Bobby.
Oh, no!
It's on video.
I have a mortar in my hand!
Please stop shooting that into the wind.
Yeah, Nick, jeez.
Quick, Nick.
Fuck you! What? What are you doing?
Nothing.
You better not shoot me with anything.
Fire! Musket.
Oh god!
We need another round.
Reloading.
Fire!
Yeah! Fuck you! Fuck you! Why? Why? Oh! 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 And you're on fire! You're on fire!
Take shit out. Shit. That was really close to Bobby's face. You good? What's up?
Hey, Dan.
Hey, Bobby.
So far, we've had our most fun with bottle rockets.
My musket needs loading. Run, Bobby.
Where's mine? I want to load my musket.
I want to shoot one off. Not my sword.
With my
Not at this phone, I swear to God.
I'm not sure if you may get that with your cigar. No, load my sword.
I'll do you one better, Dan. We'll double load it.
I just did. Nice.
Grandpa, where you were. Oh, dead.
Just my luck. Holy shit.
Got two in there. Oh, where's my musket?
One fire where it got light out. Fucking.
Kevin, where's my musket? Ah, fuck. Fire, Dan. I might have been. Fire!
Oh, how did I get on fire?
I don't know.
Oh,
It must have been from the booster on the fucking.
Nick, would you like to fire the musket?
Where's mine?
That's a great question.
Where's my pellet gun? Anybody know?
Touch it.
Where?
Got a shitty shirt.
Oh wait, this is your shitty shirt.
Bobby, can you use your
Ow.
what?
Use your light to
Not
find
let
my
go of that?
pellet gun.
Is it still in the bed of the truck? I want to say it's still in the bed.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here you go. Now this is how you fire a musket. Can you load me some?
Absolutely.
You got your ammo.
Careful of those trees.
Gotta get
Hey,
one.
Bob.
Oh shit.
Fuck you! Ah! Dick face.
With you in the headlights. What? Is that out of your pellet gun? Nice shot, mate.